Hey, do you like salsa? Our family loves salsa, and I'm getting ready to show you a super easy way to make salsa at home. You don't even have to cook it. This is a fresh salsa for one person if you don't want to share, two people if you feel generous. Okay, I'm starting out with a jalapeno. It's a half a jalapeno, no seeds. Some cilantro. Some garlic and some onion and a little bit of lime juice to get it started. Give it a little bit of freshness. I'm going to chop these up really well before I put the tomatoes in there, because I don't want the tomatoes ground up as much as what I want these ground up. I need to stop and push this down. Get the stems out. There's some bigger pieces of onion and some garlic still in there. We'll pulse it another couple of times. Then we'll put our tomatoes in there. Now it's time for the tomatoes. And I'm going to go ahead and add my seasoning now. A little bit of salt. Probably a half teaspoon or so of salt. And folks, if you like ground cumin, a lot of people put that in their salsas. I'm going to put just a dash, not even an eighth of a teaspoon, just to give it a hint of smoky flavor. And we just pulse it until we get the tomatoes the size that we want them. That looks good to me. Now this does have some water in it from the tomatoes, or should I say tomato juice. But we're just going to put it in here. If you want it to be thicker, then just put it in a strainer and strain it. So, what do you think, guys? I think I need to grab a chip. Alright guys, get on there you. Here we go. I have a little distraction over there laughing at me. Guys, this is excellent. So, if you want a fresh salsa for one, or if you want to be generous and share, go for it. But fast, easy. If you have all your ingredients prepped, you can have this done in like 2 minutes. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on that next video.